Today is Father's Day, and if you know a father or you are a father, thanks a lot for being there for everyone. And also, for all you guys that aren't fathers, the work is never done. So today, my mom called me up and she said that my brother-in-law was having a problem with his mower. It was, running, not running, and doing all sorts of crazy stuff. So took the gas tank and cleaned it out. Everything was okay. Smelt a little bad, but the filter was clogged, so I changed that. But that did not solve the problem. All it did is create the flow better, which filled up the bowl. The problem was the primer, and this right here is the new one. MTD genuine part. That right there is what happened. Now, wouldn't have been able to see it because it was actually on the side that has the plastic, so every time you're pushing it, you're only seeing that part. So unless you really look, it's a common thing to miss. So the tools that we need is a pair of pliers for here and here, because these tabs, they push together, and then once it pushes together, it pulls right out. And on the other hand, since I know it's junk, I'm just going to use some side cutters. See, I got that off. Now, if you have a problem where you can't get no side cutters in here or anything, just take a flathead screwdriver, you jam it right in there, then you twist it like so, and that'll break right off, and there you go. That's junk. So let's put the new one on, and then we'll be able to fire up the machine. Now it comes with a spare line, but we don't need that, but it's good to have. Okay, now if you want to, you can clean this out. That's up to you. Take it, set it right in there, and just squeeze it. There you go. Listen to that. It's good to go. These are 10 millimeter, by the way. So installing this, you just put the line on it, then you take your butterfly clips, or whatever you want to call them, hold down so that the line don't pop off. That's all. They're in place. On here, put it in place, and you put the flange nuts on here. And you don't want to go too tight because you'll break this plastic. And let me tell you, for diagnosing this thing was pretty easy. getting the part, thanks to, Joe Biden's new economy, where everything you gotta order is online, even though they tell you, oh yeah, it's at the store, and then you find out, oh no, it's online only. Or the people that have it, they want to charge you arm and leg for it. That was more of a battle than actually getting this thing fixed. So, prime it up. Here we go. Prime. Let's fire her up, see what happens. And that's how you solve your lawnmower problem. If you got a lawnmower that's firing up or down, make sure you check your primer bowl, make sure it's not cracked. This old 2003 MTD is ready to terrorize the lawn again. So that's all I got for now. If you guys have any questions on this or have any suggestions, drop it on the comment section if you would, please. Just give a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Later.